Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of intermittent fasting, one of the hottest trends in health and wellness right now. So, what exactly is intermittent fasting? Simply put, it's an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. Unlike traditional diets, it doesn't focus on what you eat, but rather when you eat. Let's talk about the benefits. Intermittent fasting can help with weight loss, improve metabolic health, and even support cellular repair. Studies suggest it may reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases. By reducing overall calorie intake and increasing metabolic rate, which helps in lowering blood sugar levels, enhancing autophagy, the process of cleaning out damaged cells. Now, let's look at some popular methods of intermittent fasting. The two most common are the 16-8 method and the 5-2 method. This involves fasting for 16 hours and eating during an 8-hour window. For example, you might eat between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m., skipping breakfast but having lunch and dinner. With this approach, you eat normally 5 days a week and reduce calorie intake to about 500 to 600 calories on the other 2 days. Here are some tips to help you succeed with intermittent fasting. Drink plenty of water during fasting periods. Ease into fasting by gradually increasing fasting hours. Pay attention to hunger cues and adjust as needed. While intermittent fasting is beneficial for many, it may not be suitable for everyone. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, people with a history of eating disorders, and those with certain medical conditions should consult a doctor before trying it. Intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool for improving health and managing weight. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Comment below with your experiences or questions about intermittent fasting.